Welcome back to another video. Today we have a short video. Icon lowers the prices. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews to deals. If you want to help out the channel, feel free to subscribe so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. So help out the channel, subscribe, hit the like. Alright, we got the new lower prices when you need it the most. It says plus a 20% or get an extra 20% off Icon storage. It says valid through Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. Coupon code 24312139. Let me see if I can get it closer for you guys. Alright. That's the coupon. Alright. We got lifetime guarantee, free delivery, print coupon, so you can use that coupon obviously. Here's the tool storage with the top and the sides and the hutch right there. You got colors available. It says 36-inch base cabinet. Old price $26.99, new price $119.99, and then we have, with the 20% off coupon, we have $15.99.99. So they did reduce it quite a bit. These prices are already with the 20% off with this coupon, by the way. So 26-inch base cabinet, old price was just under $4,000. New price was $27.99. Now with this coupon is $22.39. So it's a little bit lower. It's actually a lot lower than. It's $200 cheaper. Here it's $200 cheaper than the first one, and then here it's significant, like almost $500. All right, we got 73 base cabinet, so this is the big one. Then again, these come in all colors. They come in red, black, blue, and green. So this is the bigger one that they have. 73-inch cabinet. Old price was just under $5,000. New price was $3,799, and now with the 20% off coupon, it's $3,039.99. So $3,000, just under $40. $3,040. Yeah, that's a lot. From $799 to $39, so that's a lot. That's more than $750. That's a lot. So yeah, if you guys are on the market for a toolbox, especially for an Icon toolbox, these are worth it, because they, at this price, might as well go for something like this. However, if you can't afford this, if you're not a professional, or if you can't afford this, you can always go to the US General. US General is going to perform quite as well. It's not going to have all the features, all the USB ports and power outlets and stuff like that for power tools here, charging stations. It's not going to have any of that, but it's definitely going to work for you. You got the overhead cabinet, 56 and 73. $1,000 original price, and then $799 new price, and then with the 20% off, $639.99, so quite a bit. Same thing with this one, $799 for the work center, which is the hutch, whatever they call it a different name. Top chest, this is the top, the chest that goes on the top of this thing. Available in 56 and 73. They went down from $2,000, then $1,699, and now $1,359. So that's quite a difference. You got 28-inch end locker from $2,000, $1,500, and then $1,199. So that's quite a bit. These are really nice, by the way. 22-inch end cabinet. From $1,500 to $1,199, and now $959. You got the 4-inch LED work, or 4 feet, my bad. 4 feet work center light bar for $79.99. Then again with the 20% off coupon. This is a really nice. I'm actually gonna tell my brother, because he's looking for something like this. Toolbox lock set, all price, $20 now, $15.99, save $4. This is Icons beat Snap-on, 3,000, 14,000, so and so forth. So yeah, quite a bit of difference here. These are usually this is not the regular. Well, this is the regular price. Usually, Snap-on you get a little bit cheaper. I don't know if you can work out a deal with they have sales going on, but you might be able to get this cheaper, but not this cheap. Definitely not this cheap. You might be able to get this for 12,000 or something, or 10,000. But yeah, definitely not near Icon. You got total for all the set here, $7,360. And then for total here, if you would buy just MSRP or just whatever's worth on Snap-on, $28,165. This is definitely a great deal, especially for mechanics that are starting out. You know, somebody that's moving into the professional field. This is definitely a smoking deal here. So if you can't afford one, please go ahead and get one. Otherwise, you can get a US General. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to help out the channel so we can make more tool reviews videos, more tool videos for you guys. Subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.